Beyond the edge of the world, for me, is the Web of Things as a new way to extend the internet into the physical and material world. It means making everything, tables, walls, interactive. It means, for instance, if you think about a science, a chemistry lab, maybe making everything in the lab, Bunsen burners, beakers, interactive, so that the web knows who touches what when and moves it to which place. Everybody in the world and potentially will be able to contribute to a single experiment run in a high-end lab doing exciting stuff.
We're moving into a ubiquitous environment, and we won't be dependent on the devices in our pockets. It'll just be all around us. So more than anything, it's about academics having an appreciation for that technology and being creative and wanting to explore what's happening and look at new ways of doing it.
The greatest opportunity we have is to make feedback-rich learning environments so that students can exceed their own expectations. We need to curate the learning environment so that information is engaging and relevant.
I think that MOOC, so massive open online courses, could mean the end of lectures in some universities, so that the students will be learning the content and the theory at home online, and then when they come in for their face-to-face classes, it will be all interactive, problem-based learning. Well, the lecturers will have to completely change how they work, so they'll need to be adept at creating these online courses and getting interaction happening online, and then they'll need to plan those face-to-face classes to be completely interactive.
I don't care what the proponents say. I'm a big fan of technology, again, in terms of offering this mix, but you know, the one thing that it'll never replicate, in my view, is the passionate lecturer. And the students who stop me in the street or email me, what they say is, you know, like, what drives me is having a passionate lecturer who's right into it, and student-to-student interaction in a live environment and student-to-lecturer interaction. I don't think you can replicate that online.